Looking for flexible, local cleaning work right here in Ealing? You're in the right place, and we're fully transparent. At Ealing Clean, we pay market-leading wages of £10 plus per hour, plus tips, paid weekly to your bank. Work the hours that suit you. Flexible hours, you tell us what's best for you. As you build your schedule, full-time cleaners can earn up to £400 per week. We're a premium service and very selective. We accept around 2% of applicants. Why? Clients trust us with their homes. We only work with reliable, polite, punctual cleaners who follow instructions and take pride in their work. What we ask from you: you use your own car to travel between jobs. You work as self-employed. You're happy to use your own cleaning products and bring basic supplies. Ideally, you have 2+ years of paid domestic experience, a couple of references, and conversational English. Public liability insurance is a plus, or be willing to get it. Already have clients, keep them. We'll send extra work that fits your preferences. How it works: this application takes about 1 hour. You'll watch a few short videos, answer practical questions about how you clean, and tell us which areas of Ealing you cover and when you're available. If you meet the criteria, you'll self-book a telephone interview via our calendar. At your booked time, you call us. It shows punctuality and commitment. If accepted, you'll start with a 1-month trial. Don't worry, you're paid for all work during the trial, weekly, just like normal. We build your schedule steadily, not full-time on day one, and as you deliver great work, we match you with more local clients, so you grow a reliable base. We follow a simple cleaning checklist and book the right number of hours for each home, so you're set up to succeed. If that sounds like you, apply now. Tap Apply, complete the short form, and submit. We'll review and be in touch with next steps and real jobs across Ealing. Ealing Clean, cleaning jobs that fit your life.